Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Noom account and start your personalized weight loss journey, follow these easy steps to complete the account verification process. Step 1. Download the Noom app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Open the Noom app and tap on the Sign Up or Get Started button to begin creating your account. Step 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information, including your email address, age, height, weight, and goals. Make sure your email address is correct and accessible. Step 4. After completing the registration questionnaire, Noom will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from Noom. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Noom account or confirm your email address." Step 6. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you back to the Noom app or website and automatically verify your account. Step 7. Return to the Noom app and log in with your verified credentials. You should now have access to your personalized program and all app features. Step 8. Complete any remaining profile setup steps, including selecting your subscription plan and connecting with your personal coach if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.